Good morning. Here with topics. We're tracking all the news and cues that matter. Wipro numbers have been flowing in. Global cues have been all okay, actually. Nothing to worry about from the standpoint of how the US markets closed out or how. Let's quickly move on. As promised, we'll do a couple of earnings calls now going forward. Sterlite Technologies came out with numbers yesterday. Let's just look at how the stock is performing. We'll get that up on your screens. I believe we have Dr. Anand Agarwal with us on the phone line. Dr. Agarwal, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hi, thanks for joining us, sir. Sales up about 9%, profits up about 5%. So there's a slight compression coming in on the margins. How would you sum up the quarter for us?
Essentially, our power business sales has been flat for the current quarter, and that essentially has been due to some delays in order intakes that we are seeing from Power Grid Corporation. We believe over the next couple of quarters, this delay in order, the order book is going to increase. However, the execution will start showing up from Q4 and beyond. So for us, FY11 may be a bit flattish, but with the increased order flow that's coming in now, FY12 looks pretty good with the order flow as well as capacities coming on board.
Sure. What's the issue with Power Grid? Why is there a delay in getting these orders on the power side?
Essentially, there is some change in process that's happening there. It's going from a one-step tender to a two-step process, which is the first time they're doing it, and there is a bit of delay in that. But all that has been sorted out, and we are seeing good order intake in the current quarter and next.
As a percentage of your order book on the power side, what was the contribution coming in from Power Grid? How big a client was Power Grid for you?
Power Grid is almost 45% of our total sales.
Okay, fair enough. So that's been a bit of a pressure. Overall, I believe the order book at the end of this quarter is around 2,200 crores?
That's correct.
And how much of this order book has been accumulated in the last 3 months? How much have you booked in terms of fresh orders last quarter?
Yeah, last quarter we've done only about 200 crores, and that's the slowness I was talking about. But we believe that will get compensated over the next couple of quarters. So the order inflow is strengthening right now, and with the increased order inflow and with the new capacities which we have set up both for our power business and the fiber business, the impact of this will be really showing up in FY12.
So where do you hope to end the year in terms of order intake, order book growth?
Order book, by the end of the year, we should be at 27 to 2,800 crores.
Okay, and what kind of margins would you hope to maintain?
Margins would be, we've pretty much maintained our EBITDA margin between 18 to 19%, and we believe this should continue.
Okay, any fundraising plans or any concerns on the raw material front right now in terms of input cost pressures?
No, not really.
Okay, all right, Mr. Agarwal, we'll leave it on that note. Thanks for joining us. Good luck with the business. That's Sterlite Technologies. So the issue is with Power Grid, as he explained, the tendering process has become longer. It's a two-step tender now. Power Grid is a major client. 45% of the order book is coming in from them. And when that slows down, obviously there's a bit of an issue on what's happening with the overall sales picture. Stock has been down under pressure, quite understandably. So on the technicals, Sterlite Technologies, brokerage is not showing that kind of earnings growth. That's an interesting talking point. And then, of course, we will get you that exclusive conversation promised with the Wipro management. Thanks for being with us. The action continues.